Hi friends, I brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Mosegor Syrup. Mosegor Syrup contains Pizotifen, and the Mosegor Syrup is made by Novartis Pharma. The price for one bottle is 75 rupees. Pizotifen is a drug which is taken by mouth. It is used to prevent migraine headaches. It is not used for acute migraine attacks or tension headaches. This drug is taken by mouth, generally starting with a bedtime dose, then increase slowly to 3 times daily. The maximum dose is 6 milligrams daily. Take exactly as directed regularly. Effects should be seen within 4 weeks. If your doctor plans to stop the drug for a period of time, the dose should be reduced slowly over 2 weeks to decrease the chances of increased headaches. After a period of time, this medicine may not work as well as it had before. Consult your doctor if this occurs. Some side effects of this medication include increased appetite and weight gain, drowsiness, fatigue, nausea, unusual weakness, dizziness, headache, or dry mouth. If these persist or worsen, notify your doctor promptly. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.